Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best UV Cleaner Sanitizer on the market, the GROWNSY 4in1 UV Sanitizer and Dryer.
This device isn't just your average sanitizer, it's a complete solution for families.
Designed to sanitize, dry, and even store your everyday items effectively. Whether it's baby bottles, toys, clothes, or even personal items like beauty tools and phones, this machine does it all. Let's talk about its standout features. First off, it uses UV light to sanitize, boasting an impressive 99.99% plus effectiveness in killing germs and bacteria. That's crucial for keeping your household safe, especially in today's world. The GROWNSY UV Sanitizer employs a reflective inner wall design, ensuring 360-degree coverage, which maximizes the sanitizing efficiency. Plus, it's equipped with a smart drying function, reaching up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Which means your items are not just sanitized but also ready to use in no time. Now, let's talk about user experience. Many users appreciate its large capacity, capable of holding up to 12 baby bottles at once. And don't worry about space. It's designed compactly to fit seamlessly into any kitchen or nursery setup. Beyond baby items, this sanitizer is incredibly versatile. Use it for sterilizing beauty tools, sanitizing mobile phones, or even disinfecting daily essentials like kitchen utensils and face masks. Users have raved about its efficiency and ease of use. Whether you're a parent, a healthcare professional, or just someone looking for a reliable sanitizing solution, the GROWNSY UV Sanitizer is a game-changer compared to other sanitizing solutions. The GROWNSY stands out not only for its comprehensive sanitizing capabilities but also for its thoughtful design features and durability. It's an investment in peace of mind for your family's health. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a top-notch UV sanitizer that goes beyond the basics, look no further than the GROWNSY 4in1 UV Sanitizer and Dryer. It's efficient, effective, and designed with your family's safety in mind. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, stay safe and sanitized.